Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been on here in a while, but today I'm going to be doing I want to say jumbo mini twist or jumbo passion twist. I know it's been trending right now, so we're going to be doing that. And today this is what kind of hair I will be using, and it's from the Janet collection, and it's called 2 times rod twist braid, and it's in a color number 2. When you open it up, this is what it looks like. It has 2 bundles, as you can see, and on each bundle it comes with 10 pieces. Okay, so now we're going to get to how I have my hair sectioned off. I have 6 twists in my head, so I'm going to be working with 6 sections. I don't know if you can see it good because I can't see the viewfinder right now. So, I think you can see that. My section's not neat. But anyways, that's what we're going to be working with. My hair is already washed, detangled, and I blow dried it. So my hair is stretched. So that's what my hair is looking like right now. I do want the twist to be neat. So, and then I'm going to take my moisturizer of choice. You're going to put the hair like that. You're going to grab your real hair and the braiding hair, and you're going to twist. You're going to keep twisting until your roots are tight. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. And then you're going to twist the other piece the opposite way. And just follow me. I don't know how to really explain this part, but you're going to keep twisting both pieces down. It's kind of hard to explain, so just try to follow what I'm doing, because I didn't know how to do it myself either. I usually braid down and twist. That's the easiest. Braid braid like down 4 times and then start twisting. That's easy. But I wanted to make this look as natural as possible. And you're just gonna braid all the way down. Well, twist all the way down. And then you might have a little raggedy end like that. Just twist it. And that's your twist. I don't know if y'all can see what I'm doing. I hope so though. Okay, you guys, so this is what the twists are looking like. They look very natural to me. I got a lot of compliments the other day, and they was like, what do you call those? Those are some pretty twists. Is that your hair? I was like, nah sis, this is not my hair. But it looks like it. Like, it looks very believable, and because of the length. I got this hair the next town over away from me, which is like 30 minutes, and I got this hair from their beauty supply store, and each pack cost me $1.99. I purchased 6 packs. I only used 4 complete packs, and then I dipped into the 5th pack, and I used about 5 pieces of the 5th pack. Oh, in each bag there are 20 strands. So in total, in my head, I have about 85 twists. But this is what it's looking like, and I'm gonna bring the camera a little bit closer. But I just got my hair styled into, like, I just took a section in the front, put a little rubber band on it to keep the hair out of my face, and the same with this side. Y'all see how natural that look? Look at the part. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, it took me about 6 hours to do these twists. I was procrastinating. I could have did these twists in like 4 hours, but I was watching TV, I was procrastinating, I was getting bored. So yeah, but this, on average, this should take somebody just 4 hours if you're not procrastinating and you're not taking breaks and stuff like that. So yeah, but this is a cheap hairstyle. You can do it yourself. There's a lot of tutorials on how to do these twists, but these are, well, I'm gonna call it Jumbo Marley mini twist or Jumbo Marley passion twist, because the texture of the hair is like Marley braid hair instead of like the, you know, the Senegalese passion twist. It's not the Toyokalon hair. Is more like a Marley hair texture. So yeah, I haven't seen anyone do these kind of passion twists. Okay, you guys, if you like this video, give me a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.